Hey guys, my name is Nogan and welcome to my Java series. Hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the Netbeans IDE and also the Java JDK. So if you guys haven't watched the previous video, just like a small introduction, like what is Java. I'll link a card on top there for the video, just like a small introduction about like what is Java eventually, and a plan for an entire series of Java on my channel. Before you continue now here, if you don't have like the JDK installed on your computer, right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just check on my computer to have like the JDK installed on my computer Java development kit. So if you go to the search bar here, I'll just type CMD. Now what I'm gonna do right now, just check do I have like the Java JDK installed on my computer. So I'll type the command Java C, press enter. Awesome. As you can see right now here, I'm just trying to verify if I have the package installed of Java on my computer. And as a result, you can see there's a lot of like repositories being displayed here, which means my computer, which means I have the Java JDK installed on my computer. As you can see also the support for those new versions of Java JDK, as you can see from the latest one to the new one. So if you don't have this on your computer right now, guys, so let me just close this. I'm gonna open right now a search engine. I'm gonna open Chrome so you can start getting the first installation package. Now here in Google, I'm gonna just type the Java JDK. Awesome. So after this, you'll see this window opening up here. We're gonna go to this Oracle website here for Java downloads. Click on it. So what we need right now is just to get like eventually the Java JDK packages so we can use them to build Java applications on our desktop application. Okay, awesome. Now down here you'll see down here after the JDK development kit, we have three, of course, operating systems eventually been displayed here. We have now Linux, Mac, and also Windows. For this series, we're going to be focused on using Windows as the OS for development. So we're going to click on Windows eventually here. Because right now we just need the installation packages we need, but the .exe files, so we can install them on a computer. We can link them eventually now with also the Netbeans IDE. So down here, go to x64 installer here because we need this now, the binary file eventually for Windows. Click here. Awesome. So right now, guys, I'm using the IDM, which is just like eventually a Indian download manager. So I'm gonna just start downloading eventually here. If you don't use the IDM eventually when you do downloads and stuff, they're gonna come up on top here. So on the right hand corner here, on these three buttons here, if you click, you can just go to downloads eventually, where you'll find eventually that installation is being displayed somewhere here. Awesome. Now after this, let me just open up the Java JDK. So what you can do, just run that Java JDK. As you can see, mine. Just go to run eventually when you're running it like this. Awesome. So after this window now here, what you can do, just click on next to install the package of Java. Awesome. So you click on close eventually because now you can see the IP address eventually, or the API eventually documentation of this just been updated now on my computer. So if I close this eventually now here, because I already installed the JDK on my computer right now, which means the new package was just installed now in my computer stuff. So now after this, let's go back to the Google Chrome eventually here. Open up a new tab. Now here I'm gonna just see now Netbeans. Awesome. Now after this, eventually we're gonna go to the first web page of like Apache Netbeans eventually, because we need now to install the ID of Netbeans. So just click on the Apache Netbeans. Okay, so after that now, you need to click on this Apache Netbeans 21 download button, the green button here. Click on that. So what we need right now, you just need to get the installation packages so you can install the exe file for NetBeans. So as you'll see here, the Apache NetBeans 21 bin Windows x64.exe file. So we need to get this one. Click on it. Okay. Awesome. Now on the second page again, click on this another installation link. Eventually, you get like the exe file now installer. Now after that, I'm gonna just say start download. If you don't see this eventually, guys, because I'm using IDE, what you can do, like I mentioned, go to the right top corner here. There's three buttons there. Just click on them, go to downloads and stuff. Then you're gonna find your folder that contains your exe file for NetBeans. So after that, let's open up this. Yes. Awesome. So as now this installer is now trying to configure and extract all the packages right now. I want to show you guys something. So what I'm gonna do right now, also when this is installing, I'm gonna just try and link the Java JDK packages now with the installation of NetBeans. So first, let me just click on next here. Just accept all the terms and conditions of the licensing for this Apache IDE. Click next again. Okay, awesome. Now as you can see, we're linking the Java JDK with also now NetBeans 21. As you can see, we have the new version of Java and then also the new version of NetBeans here. Awesome. But to just be on the safe side, let me just click next and say install. So it's installed right now. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come to my file explorer and go to my C drive. After my C drive, I'm gonna go to program files. Then go to Java folder. Okay, as you can see, I have two folders here: the Java, the JDK 19 and JDK 21. So I'm gonna go to JDK 21. Click on that. Go to bin. Bin stands for binary, which means the binary files, the zeros and ones, executable files, going to be used to link down the NetBeans and Java correctly. So click on bin. Now on top here, click on this to get now the file path where now is where it's on your computer. Control C to copy it. Close this. Now after this, I'm gonna just go to start again. Right click on it and go to systems. Now after systems again, now we need to link, like I mentioned, the JDK with the NetBeans installation packages. So I'm gonna go to advanced system settings here, click on it. Then after this window here, the system properties, you need to go to section that says now environment variables. Click on environment variables. Okay, awesome. Now on system variables here, let's just click on it here and just scroll down because we have to go to the file path, the path where in your computer is the directory been installed. Now click on path, double click on it. Okay, awesome. This window is going to open up again, which the window says now edit environment variable. So as you can see here, I already linked this before. Let me just remove this to show you guys like how to do it properly. Now on this edit environment variable here, go and click on the new tab and just Control V to paste your file directory where now the Java JDK will be linked eventually with the NetBeans. And click on OK. OK again, and also OK. You can close this. Awesome. Now let's just finish up here. Awesome. Now I'm gonna run my Apache NetBeans right now here because I have a shortcut on my desktop. Awesome. As you can see now, everything's on point. Everything's working properly. My Apache NetBeans IDE new version is installed on my computer. It looks like it's on point. So right now, as you can see guys, we have a desktop display window here of NetBeans. Now in the next video, we'll focus on trying to start writing our first program in Java. We'll go through the syntax of Java, also like understand like how the syntax is structured, what it means line by code, and how you can try to avoid making like any errors, syntax errors in your source code and stuff. So in the next video, we'll be writing our first program in Java. And guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And if any questions, comment down below. And see you next time.